Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Fortnite error application hang detected. Exit Epic Launcher. Open My Computer. Open C Drive. Open Program Files. Open Epic Games folder. Open Fortnite. Open Fortnite game. Open Binaries folder. Click to open Win64 folder. Click to open Batline. Double-click to open Uninstall Batline. Click Yes to continue. Click OK. Click Install Batline. Open Epic Game Launcher. Click Launch Fortnite. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.